place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race.
All right, folks, we are out. We are on our maiden voyage with the dog Jeep. So, since I built the stupid thing, I found out that I need to actually I need to drop the box down. So, in order to do that, we need to cut a few more things. I just haven't yet. And it hasn't been registered, but I finally got it registered. So now, we go. So we're heading up to our secret spot. Secret spot. Somewhere where there's plentiful rabbits. I mean, rabbits for days. Just kidding. There's hardly any rabbits here, but we need to get the dogs out. We need to let the dogs run. So, here we go. All right, so maiden voyage of the dog Jeep. You can check out this. Are you letting her out? Hold on, we'll let Bruja out first.
I don't even know how to open this.
Just push that little tab up. Right there, yep. Okay, hey Bruja. Bruja, are you ready? So basically, normally there will be a rope. Well, we can just pull on the rope. So we pull on the rope. Bruja. She's leaning up against that. Oh, the rope broke. We'll put a new rope on there, but basically, there she goes, just like that. So it's not really too far for them to jump. It's just too high to jump in. So this one has a rope. Johnny, come on. See, so it just unlatched. He don't know how this works yet, but oh, good boy. Oh, it's a good boy. Come on. Oh, it's a good boy. Come on. Yeah, good boy. That's a good boy. Oh, good boy. That's a good boy. So we've got Mr. Charlie here. Oh, he's a good boy. Hey, Charlie. We've got Mr. Charlie here. He's a whippet. Good boy. And then Bruja. She's a Saluki Greyhound mix. They could be. They look similar. She's just got shaggy hair. But this dog Jeep here, this is. So I'm basically going to take what we have here, and I'm actually going to cut this section from here down to here. So it'll be actually resting on these wheel wells. So on this side from here up here, I'm gonna drop it down to here. So I'll take about a foot out of this and drop this down about a foot. So hopefully they'll be able to jump in when they decide to. There's Charlie leaving a surprise. Look at that, she's so majestic. Are you majestic? Yeah, you are. Oh, yes, you are. All right, so anyways, so that's it. We'll maybe get some footage, but we just wanted to bring this dog Jeep out for, yeah, this is kind of the, like I said, the maiden voyage. I cut the rear door off so the lights kind of stay on for a little bit, but other than that, oh, you can hear the train. Train's coming down there. But yeah, can you appreciate this dog Jeep? Oh man, we're gonna have a good time. This right here will be my thumbnail. Ching. Just kidding, I don't know. All right, so successful first trip out. A little noisy. The real test will be, they jumped out pretty good, so I'm actually pretty excited. I think this weekend we're gonna take this bad boy out and we're gonna go find some rabbits. And we're gonna put some new ropes on this little mechanism here. So I've actually got to undo these bolts here, take those off, take that little cover off, and put some more. Actually, let's see. Yeah, I'll undo that and take it out. Check it out. All right, so here we are. We got the dogs loaded up. We'll put them both in the same one this time. But I just wanted to show you guys these awesome LEDs I have mounted up here. So I got 2 LED pods right here. I got 6 lights in each. Here I have a 52-inch curved light bar. That's right, curved. Anyways, and then I got 2 more over here. Now the purpose of these side ones is, obviously you can see I have that lit up right there. So out of the view of this here Jeep, when I turn off my light bar, we've got side vision over here with those LED pods. Now that's without them. Here's the pods, here's the light bars. Now here's my lights. Yeah, did you notice that? You can't really see my light. Light bar, pods off, bright. So you can just tell that that sucks, period. But here we go. Pods, LED light bar. Now that thing puts out some serious light. And I'm gonna link up a couple in the description below. I want you to go check them out, buy them for your own rigs. This, like I said, is for my night hunting rabbit rig, and it is bright. I mean, it is way bright. So that's that. We're going home. We're gonna go take the dogs home. We're gonna go up another road, see if we can't maybe see a couple rabbits. But other than that, that's it. I'm out of here. It's getting too dark. Peace.